我係 Janice 啊，我而家係大專團契 CCG 入面嘅其中一位成員啦。有啲時候我哋都唔係每個禮拜都係喺正堂嗰度舉行團契，所以其實我哋都要 keep track to Discord 到底係喺 Waverley 小學定係喺教會舉行。其實啱啱開始嘅時候，我都有好幾次去錯地方，其實的確都係有少少唔方便嘅。
I think it allows us to do more things together as a church. We don't always have to separate into so many different locations because we're limited by space. But once we're able to be together in a bigger space, we're able to do more things together as a group instead of always having to split up because the room is only so big to fit so many people.
我會話地方同埋場地 booking 可能有時候要就時間啦，因為一嚟worship team 即係我哋 CIF 嗰度，有時候佢哋即係要練歌，其實可能單靠我哋團契開始之前嗰短短嘅1個鐘，我會話可能好 rush 同埋未必好足夠。
Hi, I'm Matthias. I've been going to this church since I was born. Sometimes booking for like events is hard, and also sometimes we do lock-ins at church, and at night it's kind of freezing.
I'm Kaylin. I'm 16, and in VCBC I've volunteered in things such as VBS and Say Out. In terms of contributing to the plan, I don't think I would be able to help out financially, but I have made like crafts to help with the fundraisers that we have done, and I think also I would help by praying as well.
既然我今次上面我 fulfill 唔到，咁更加多嘅可能會藉住我身體力行去做啦。咁不論我可能話 keep 住去 serving，keep 住去邀請新朋友嚟教會咁樣，我覺得呢啲嘢係我盡我最大能力可以做到嘅嘢咯。
So yeah, I like to serve, so like that's one thing I could do. So like for this upcoming year, I'm serving on JC Kids a bit. So that's one thing. I don't think I can really financially contribute because I'm kind of poor, but I can pray for the project, and I can also tell my parents about it and tell them to contribute because they got the money.
Brothers and sisters, my name is Andrew, and I am the youth pastor of this church. I started joining VCBC since 2019, and I still recall the first day when stepping in this church. Every break, every bench, and every wall just gives me that cozy and warm feeling. I really love this church, and I see this church as my home, and you guys are my family. But however, our home building now, it's getting really worn out throughout years, and now it's really hard to sustain for our ongoing ministry. God has been blessing us throughout many years. For the past 56 years that we've been growing, we have done many great memories. We have done great things in this church building. However, this church building cannot sustain us to go further. So it is essential for us to all participate in the CPR fundraising to build a new church so that we can continue to bless for more generations to come.
弟兄姊妹，我係全力支持教會嘅重建計劃。呢一件唔單止係一項嘅建築工程，更係神俾我哋教會嘅使命同埋異象。回望返我過去喺溫浸成長嘅歲月，神賜俾我同埋我嘅家庭好多嘅恩典。最近我退休啦，我亦都領取到35年嘅服務獎金。呢一筆嘅獎金本來係屬於我辛勞嘅成果，但係我深知道一切都係神所賜嘅，所以我決定將呢一份嘅獎金全數奉獻出嚟，作為我對神恩典嘅回應，亦都係作為我對教會建堂事工嘅一份支持。願神喜悅我一點點嘅擺上。我亦都希望每一位弟兄姊妹都可以按自己嘅能力一齊參與建堂。
大家好，我哋一家過去5年一直都喺溫浸崇拜，呢度係我第一間，亦都係唯一一間參加嘅教會。好感恩可以稱 VCBC 做我哋屬靈嘅家。仲記得疫情之後，師母安排我哋成為第一個家庭去重開啟用幼兒室。喺嗰度，我哋認識咗好多有小朋友嘅家庭，嗰份喜樂直到今日仍然好深刻。 不過教會大樓空間不足，建築物同設備嘅老化提醒我哋係時候要建立新會堂。為咗支持呢個計劃，我同家人透過10年承諾同星星之火去奉獻。神賜俾我哋豐富恩典，建立新堂就係將呢份祝福傳俾下一代，繼續廣傳福音，造就信徒。所以我都鼓勵大家，無論你嘅情況如何，憑信心一同參與，盡力回應建堂計劃。請支持溫浸建堂，多謝大家。
Together, God's house we extend.
To others, His gospel we send. Let's lock in, guys.